Hi friends, how you doing? This is JJ. Welcome to another video from this series, American English Pronunciation. And well, this time I'm going to start quick, okay? Well, uh, today I'm going to explain about the contextual verb get. This is the way I call it. I mean, there is not a proper name for this or a real name, I mean, for this thing, okay? Well, this is because this verb um, has different. It has a basic meaning. Actually, this verb means obtain, this is the basic meaning. However, in real life, when we speak English in every day, I mean, we use this verb for different things, different situations. Some people call it the multi-meaning verb. I call it the contextual verb. Sometimes I say the universal verb. The name doesn't matter, it's just a way to call it. So basically it means obtain. In real life we use it to talk about different situations. That's what I say, contextual. And it is also used in some phrasal verbs, get here, get there, get ready, get happy, get sad, and so on. And of course, the meaning in these cases, well, refers to the adjective that accompanies to the phrasal verb. I'm going to make this video 100% English, okay? 100% English. If you need Spanish for this video, please let me know, and I'll be glad to make it in Spanish. But today, it's going English. So all those people who are learning English, all those people who are getting ready for TOEFL, ISL, or whatever, if you have some English level already, this video is for you. Okay, I'm gonna speak uh, not really quick, not really fast. I'm gonna try to speak slow. Anyway, and sometimes it replaces to the verb to be. There is a part of story of history in English. I mean, where it's been said that in the past, for example, people used to say be off, for example. This is a really old verb. I remember when I was a child, I listened to it in a movie, and I said, why did he say be off? Which basically means go away or disappear or get away, you know? So that's what I'm telling you this. All right, let's keep it going. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 verbs where they can be replaced by get. So to call, to bring, to receive, to give, to win, to write, to understand, to catch, to place, to put, to retrieve, to buy, to listen, to come, to go, to take, to arrive. Okay. So as I said, how will you understand this verb? Well, you need to check or look for the context. What is the context? What is the person talking about, or what are people talking about at the moment they use it, and you will get it. For example, I just said it, you will get it. So in this case, it means you will understand it. All right. So that's the way it works. Native speakers, we use it every day, just like a normal verb. It's really normal for us to say this. I'm gonna get you some examples so you can get it. Really quick in Spanish: llamar, traer, recibir, dar, ganar, escribir, comprender o entender, atrapar, colocar, poner, recuperar, comprar, escuchar, venir, ir, tomar, en este caso tomar, o llevar, and to arrive. Okay, so these are the verbs that can be replaced by get. Okay, and for example, I wanna type one more, and get me to the airport. So as you can see, my friends, I have many examples here where I'm just typing this really quick. It just came to my mind, it just crossed my mind, actually. Well, so let's keep going. I got some examples, I tried to type one example for each of the meanings, which are right here, So, for example, the first one is get the boss on the phone now, which is something like call the boss now. Some people might say, okay, this is incorrect. This is no, I mean, you have to understand something, when you speak some of the languages, the translation won't get, you won't get a right, a correct translation, you know, especially if you're using Google Translator, because Google translates everything literal. So if you type on Google Translate, get the boss on the phone now, it will get you some weird stuff, you know, and you won't get it. You will say, no, this is not right. You have to remember that you will never get the right translation. You know, you will never get it, especially when we are using get, because Google doesn't get this correct, because it gives you a literal translation. All right. So you must understand, you must start understanding that this is never literal, especially if you speak Spanish. Never literal. Okay. Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, French, which are the Romance languages. You won't get this right on Google Translator. Okay. So next example, get your ass here. Okay, this is a little funny, you know, get your ass here is like come here. But this is the way we can say it in a funny way, you know. Okay, you will get a special discount. You go to the store and they say, hey, if you buy this product today, you will get a special discount, which means you will receive a special discount. All right. Can I get one? Can I get one? Could be like, could you give me one, please? Or can I take one? Here I'm using take, you know, it's a to something like for example, I have cookies here and I say take one, you know, take one. All right. Now next, sorry, I got the big prize. Imagine you bought the lottery, you know, and you won the lottery. So you can say I got the big prize or I won the big prize. You know, this is another way to say it. Both mean the same. Are you getting that? Imagine you're in a situation where you're listening to strange sounds and someone says, hey, are you getting that? Or are you getting this? So it means, can you hear that? Or are you listening to that? Which is the same meaning. Okay. Get this on your notebook. I'm sorry, I got a mistake here. It's not get this on. Sorry, I gotta fix it. There we go. I'm fixing it at the moment. All right, good. So, sorry, my bad. Get this in your notebook. So it means write this in your notebook or write it down, which is the same. Okay. And as you can see, I have a box here. So I put these two phrases because these phrases are native speaking phrases. Okay. These are native speaking phrases. I don't get it. It means I don't understand. I don't understand. You know, this is really common to say, really common to hear in daily speaking. Imagine you're explaining a situation and you say, okay, you have to do this, go there, get off there, get in there, get on there, whatever. And the other person says, I don't get it. So I don't understand. You know, we say, I don't get it. Okay. I got it. I got it. This is something that I teach all the time to my students. Okay, whether you took I've got it with the apostrophe VE, which is the contraction for have. This is British, actually, British writing, or you just write it without VE in apostrophe, of course. It's the same. You know, nowadays in American English, we say got it. Even, I mean, whether it's for a question or an affirmation, you can say, hey, got it. And the other person can say, yeah, got it. You know, it's really weird. So imagine I'm explaining you these guys and I say, okay, got it. And you just reply to me, got it. So what I was asking is, did you understand? And you can say, yes, I did. Okay. So this is a daily phrase. You must get this. Okay. So for example, when you say, I got it, or just got it, it means it's ready, I'm done, I understand, I can do it, it's on me. I mean, if you are going to pay something or whatever, you know, this phrase, I got it, has many meanings according to the context. That's what I'm explaining you this, okay? And you must get this because you will use this every day, or you will listen to this every day, okay? Get it, you know, get it. It could be like, okay, catch it. Hey, get this, you know, hey, catch this, all right? I got a call. I got a call. It's like saying, I caught a call. Imagine you went fishing and you say, okay, how was fishing? Oh, well, what did you catch? And the other person says, oh, I caught a call, or I got a call, okay? In this case, God is the past of get, okay? So this is in American English, okay? Got we use gotten for past participle. In British English, they just say got for past simple, and past participle. All right. Go get him. Go get him means go catch them. Okay. Go catch them. There is a phrase I remember right now. Go get him, tiger. Go get him, tiger. It's a really good phrase. With this phrase, you are telling the other person that he can do it. Go get him, tiger is like saying, show him what you got, show him what you can do. All right. I got a little kitten there somewhere. I hope it's good for you. Okay, anyway, get this on the floor. Get this on the floor means put this on the floor. Okay. Get this sticker on the cover of your book. Place this sticker on the cover of your book. Okay, place. Okay, which is kind of similar to put. Okay, I need to get my pen back. I need to retrieve my pen. Okay, could you get me a soda, please? Imagine someone is going to the store. Hey, are you going to the store? Yes. Okay, could you give me a soda, please? I'll give you the money. Could you buy me a soda, please? Or sometimes it could be, could you bring me a soda? Could you get me a soda? Could mean whether could you buy me a soda or could you bring me a soda, which is kind of the same meaning. Maybe the difference is that in the first case, could you buy me a soda means I will pay for it. And if I say, could you bring me a soda, means like you invited or it's on you. Okay, next one, get there and get me my backpack. As you can see, I was using twice here the same verb. I'm gonna put a mark here. So first it says get there and get me my backpack. So basically this phrase means go there and bring me my backpack. As you can see, I use the verb here twice. Get there, go there, and get me my backpack and bring me my backpack. Okay, the next verb is, the next phrase, I'm sorry, I'm having some wine. Get some for you. And basically, having some wine means I'm drinking. The verb have in English, you can use it as drink or eat. I will explain this in another video. So I'm having some wine. Get some for you. I'm drinking some wine. Take some for you. We don't say grab. It means take because you are going to pour some wine into a glass. Okay. And pour could be another way, another option for this verb. Okay, and the last one is, imagine you are getting out of the hotel and you need to catch a plane. So you say to the taxi driver, get me to the airport, take me to the airport. Okay, so this is it, my friends. I hope you like this video. If you have some special requests, make sure to send me a message. Okay, send me a message. And if you need me to explain this video in Spanish also, well, send me a message, leave a comment and say, hey, JJ, can you explain this video in Spanish? And I will do it for you. All right, friends, so that's it. I'm gonna stop the recording. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, don't forget to visit my website, reaenglish.com, and get a free session with JJ. Okay? Hasta luego, meus amigos. Bye-bye.